Bay Area's leader in collision repair.
This is your time to cash in at Cash Creek Casino Resort. To rock and to roll over the hills and bluffs. Go all out or go all in with 4 stars and rising stars. Now we do more than ever, so you can do as much or as little as you want. It's your time to cash in at Cash Creek Casino Resort.
Make memories in your outdoor spaces all year long with System Pavers, the leaders in outdoor living. From paver patios, driveways, outdoor kitchens, all the way to incredible, gorgeous outdoor turf and more. System Pavers is ready to make you fall in love with your home all over again. Since 1992, System Pavers has helped more than 75,000 homeowners make the most of their front backyards through beautiful, durable, and quality outdoor remodels. And you can be next. For a limited time only, to celebrate our 30th anniversary, you can get the incredible savings of $3 off every square foot of pavers and turf. Plus, special financing is available. Fall is the best time of the year for outdoor gatherings. Whether it's a meal on the patio, hosting around the fire pit, or however you want to enjoy your incredible new living space, start today with System Pavers free consultation. Get started by calling 800-PAVE-004 or visit SystemPavers.com. That's 800-PAVE-004 or SystemPavers.com. All orders must be placed by October 31st. Financing subject to credit approval. See website for details. Contractor's license 661-575.
Find what you love at the Mila Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance. Select the built-in kitchen appliance package that is right for you, and for a limited time, save up to $1,800 with the purchase of a qualifying Mila appliance package. Visit Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill or at Friedman'sAppliance.com.
KCBS News Time is 8:43. The Winchester Mystery House, Haunted House, opened over the weekend, and as KCBS's Megan Goldsby reports, its keepers say passionate fans are lining up to get in.
Because of pandemic restrictions, the Winchester Mystery House was closed for a time, and even when they did reopen, they had to get creative about how to do the popular Halloween Haunted House event while keeping people safe.
We had a really good summer season, and we're hoping that the Halloween season delivers as it does historically.
Walter Magnuson, the general manager of the Winchester Mystery House, says with more people, they made a choice.
This year we decided, you know what, a lot of folks are going more family friendly. We're actually going to go the other way. This is going to be the most terrifying event we've ever done.
And that's a challenge at a historic mansion like this.
So we bring on a creative team that is very well versed in putting on productions within historic structures. We have a lot of restrictions. So this is probably the most challenging stage that you would ever mount a production in.
He says they had to add more nights because tickets were selling out so quickly. In San Jose, Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
Starting today, the North Bay Smart Service is adding daytime trains between Santa Rosa and Larkspur. There will be south leaving from Charles M. Schultz Sonoma County Airport Station at 10:22 a.m. Leaving from Larkspur, one at 12:15, another at 3:27. The idea is to expand service for commuters, including those traveling by Golden Gate Ferry between Larkspur and San Francisco. The system is also adjusting weekend train times to align more closely with ferry service. Still to come on KCBS, a Giants thrill and a home finale. Details in sports in a minute.
There's a lifetime of beautiful outdoor living waiting for you at Gallinas. It's fiber easy, carefree living. Why choose this durable composite? There's an amazing choice of colors. The rich look of multi-chromatic exotic hardwood. It resists splintering, rotting, and cracking with really low maintenance. See the colors and learn more at DolanLumber.com. See the real fiber on at Dolan's Home Improvement Centers.
You may not know it, but the equity in your home can provide you with cash you need most. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt or cover a major renovation, a home equity line of credit or cash out refinance for Fremont Bank may be a great choice for you. With increased home values, now may be the right time to give us a call to find out how your home's equity can work for you. Visit FremontBank.com or call 666-992-INFO today. NMLS number 478471, Equal Housing Lender, member FDIC. Coming up on KCBS,
One Carefree Show. It's Fleet Week. We have a preview of all the festivities.
KCBS News Time is 8:45. Ted Ramey is coming to us from the Bay Area Chevy Buick Sports Desk.
Were officially eliminated from playoff contention after Saturday's loss. They still played for pride and for fans in Sunday's home finale.
NFC Championship game. 49ers trying to get things on track after a slow 1-2 start to the season. All eyes will be on Jimmy Garoppolo and the 49ers offense. See if they look a little bit more in sync after not looking that way against the Broncos a week ago. At the Sports Desk, Jen Ramey, KCBS.
The KCBS Sports Desk is sponsored by the Bay Area Chevy Dealers. Visit BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
ERC Employee Retention Credit. This is where the federal government will give employers $1,000 per qualified employee. So if you had 10, that would be up to over $250,000. If you had 20, up to just over $500,000, and so on. And there's different ways to qualify. And what is a crying shame, a lot of people think you have to have both. And a lot of people were told, even by their CPAs, that if your gross revenue wasn't down by a certain amount, you didn't qualify. Not true. There's a different independent way to qualify. It's either or. Bottom line is, you can just contact us. We'll tell you if you qualify. And if you do, let's get your free money from the federal government. It's a grant. That means back. It's not a loan. It's yours to do it as you please. 888 Tax Deal. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888 Tax Deal. Or MoskowitzLLP.com. MOSKOWITZLLP.com.
We love lazy Sunday mornings in bed. The paper, fresh coffee.
I make the coffee.
When it's time to buy a new mattress, we wanted to choose from a big selection.
And we found it at Sleep.
Sunday mornings are more comfortable than ever.
Although, I still have to make the coffee.
Find your mattress story at Mancini's Sleep World and get a free adjustable base. Save big on our huge selection of Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, Beauty Rest, and more. Come into any of our Bay Area stores or visit sleepworld.com. Traffic and weather together is sponsored by Water Heaters Only. Dave Fouts is on the traffic watch, starting us off with a look at Richmond Bridge.
Very slow traffic trying to cross the bay westbound Richmond Centerville Bridge. Just past the top of the incline, the left lane blocked by a crash. Bridge crews are on scene, but we get the right lane up and we've got traffic backed up all the way to the Richmond Parkway. Eastbound 80 before San Pablo Dam Road, crash there. Still the two right lanes blocked as has been all morning long. Traffic backed up to Cutting Boulevard. Westbound 80 slow out of Hercules. Getting through Hayward and Fremont. Southbound 880 before Industrial. The right lane still blocked by an injury crash. Traffic backed up to the Chilton Auto Body Collision Cam from Highway 92. It is continued slow traffic from
With the Mancini Sleep World 6-day forecast, here's KCBS and KPI 5's Jessica Birch.
Hey, good morning. Happy Monday. Sitting in the upper 60s today in San Francisco. We'll see some 70s returning into the forecast as early as Wednesday. As for our friends down in the Santa Clara Valley, we're seeing in the mid-70s this afternoon. 80s returning into the forecast as early as Wednesday. So, long story short, a midweek warm-up in full force. The Inland East Bay is sitting in the low 80s this afternoon. We'll see low 90s just by Thursday. So, a lot of no matter where you live. This is perfect for any outdoor events, though. We'll keep you updated here in the Weather Center. And for now, I'm meteorologist Jessica Birch with your KCBS KPIX 5 First Alert Forecast.
Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Hi, this is Brad Garrett. The homeless problem is beyond belief. Every year we spend more, and every year it gets worse. But homeless doesn't have to mean hopeless. Documentary, Beyond Homeless, Finding Hope. You'll learn about an approach that's people's lives. Please see the film and join our movement at beyondhomeless.org. I'd be beyond grateful.
Ron Popper, founder and chairman of Burke America Parts Group, a family of brands that includes RepairClinic.com, an appliance and HVAC parts solution company that's grown into an international brand. Before AmericanEagle.com, we partially launched a new technology platform developed by another firm. American Eagle helped take our software development and business insights to our key markets, appliances, HVAC, and outdoor equipment, and did so both on time and on budget. AmericanEagle.com has the resources and talent needed to produce solutions. Our Our new technology platform, developed by AmericanEagle.com, has produced tremendous results with higher traffic, conversion, engagement, and online revenue. If you have any home repairs you need to take care of, check us out at RepairClinic.com. If you need a world-class website or technology project, then I would highly recommend AmericanEagle.com.
Call AmericanEagle.com at 7 Network. That's AmericanEagle.com 773-Network.
Running out of hot water? Might be time for a new. Visit waterheatersonly.com. Quick 5-star rated service, friendly local technicians, low prices, and 0% deferred interest financing. Visit waterheatersonly.com. Terms and conditions apply. KCBS News Time is 8:53. Fernie Beyer and Vivian Basu-Skinner at the KCBS editor's desk. Today officially marks the start of Fleet Week in the Bay Area. The famous Blue Angels flying team arrived in Oakland last night. In the days ahead. KCBS's Jeffrey Shao with a preview.
The air show officially gets underway at 11 a.m. Mary Breen is Marketing and Public Relations Director with the Air Show Network.
Yeah, Angels, as you mentioned, that are going to be headlining the show. We have our presenting sponsor, United Airlines, that's flying a 777 airliner and a fully choreographed demonstration over the bay. We have the F-35C, the Navy F-35 jet, that's making its first appearance at Fleet Week.
The air show repeats on Saturday and Sunday, except start times are at noon. The U.S. Navy Blue Angels are scheduled to perform at 3:15 all 3 days. Best places to see all the action: the Marin Headlands, Golden Gate Bridge, Chrissy Field, and the Marina Green. This week, a flotilla of ships will enter the bay, and many can be boarded for tours. Learn more, visit fleetweeksf.org. Jeffrey Shao, KCBS.
Signs of the economy slowing down. Here's Jason Brooks on the Money Watch.
Margie, a key The Institute for Supply Management September Manufacturing Index slid to a reading of 50.9, coming in below expectations and to its weakest reading since May of 2020. A sign of recession worries impacting the economy, new orders and employment levels fell into contraction territory. The key inflation signal is still showing growth. However, the prices paid reports sparking a big rally on Wall Street, with market hoping that recession worries will help the Fed. Dow's up 610 points, NASDAQ gaining 144, S&P picking up ahead of steam on reports that OPEC members are considering a production cut. OPEC is reportedly eyeing cutting output by 1 million barrels per day, which would be its biggest production cut since the start of the pandemic. Just under $83 a barrel. On the Money Watch, Jason Brooks, KCBS.
You deserve more, and with United Healthcare, you'll get more. Annual enrollment is October 15th through December 7th, so call United Healthcare today. With the United Healthcare Medicare Advantage Plan, you get more from your Medicare dollar, now including better than ever dental, vision, over-the-counter, and prescription drug coverage. Call United Healthcare at 1-888-CALL-UHC today and speak with a licensed sales agent. Benefits, features, and/or devices vary by plan.